Okay, so this is a quick video to get you up to date and started on your first Python project and just what you're looking at, because it would be easier for me to make a video and send it to you than to try to text you. So when you create a new project and you see this screen, it says this is the location. So this is where yours would say probably something like user bin or something like that, a Mac file. This is Windows, but the path will go to a project file, which is this very last section right here. After the very last, I think yours will be a / instead of a \. So you can rename it. So I'm going to name this Hello World. And the interpreter should already be selected for you. I think you said you're all right with that. So when I click Create, you get to this screen. And you've seen this screen, so you know what I'm talking about. Over here on the left are all your project files. These are like the source code files, the stuff that you're working with. So you see Hello World is my project file. Think of that as like a folder container for holding our source code and putting it all in a nice neat place. This external libraries, this is a bunch of code written by someone else that allows us to do what we're doing. So we don't have to worry about that right now. So don't even worry about it. Just click it, leave it like it is right there. So over here on the left, I'm going to click Hello World Project and highlight it. I'm going to go to File. Yours will be something similar. And click New. Python file. So a Python file is just like a text file when you open Notepad or whatever you use in Mac. I can't think of it off the top of my head. Pages or whatever it is. But you click a new Python file. And it has an extension. It says .py, so you know, like you have like .exe or whatever. It's .py. That's the file. And I'm going to name it Hello World. So now you'll see you have this folder now, and inside of it is Hello World. This Hello World file that I just created, .py. It's just a text file, nothing special about it. And you'll see over here in this text editor, which is like Notepad or just a very, very, very simple place that you put text. And you'll see this tab says Hello World.py. So now you're ready to actually program in this. So what you'll do, if you want to actually run it and see what it looks like, is I will type in print, I'll put quotes, Hello World. Okay. And then I'll tap Run, click Run, and I'll select that, and there we go. Down at the bottom, this is called a console screen. You'll see Hello World. This is the output. This is what happens after you've written your code. So let me write a little bit more code. So let's say number, or let's see, value equals 2 plus 2, print value. You see I got 4. So there's nothing special, but that's what your screen, all the screens and what you're looking like. So right now, once you get to this point, you can start writing a bunch of Python code and trying to figure it out, and the output comes out down here. So you can get online and look at tutorials and see what other people are doing. But that's how you get it set up. You create a file inside of this project folder, and then you start writing code over here, and the code pops out down here when you're looking at it. All this at the top is just the name of the file, helloworld.py, and down here, process finish with exit code 0. You don't have to worry about that. You just worry about what pops out right here. So if I was typing name equals Isaac, print hello name, I click the play button. So after you run it the first time, you can run it like this, or you can click this over here, Hello Isaac. So that is how you get started to where you can write code. So that's enough to get going. And then after that, you can ask any questions. Anyway, see ya.